Some very clear risk-off price action in markets on Wednesday. These days, when talking risk-off, it hasn't usually meant all of the stars necessarily aligning, and yet today we've seen exactly that. The Swiss franc and yen are higher. The major currencies are outperforming against the commodity block and emerging market FX. Gold is rallying and stocks are under pressure. A lot of this price action has been attributed to the latest from President Trump, who was out on Tuesday casting a lot more doubt on the prospect for a trade deal with China. And the president didn't stop there either. He wasn't shy about calling out other countries that mistreated the U.S. Geopolitical stress has definitely been trending up, with more disruption in Hong Kong and some rocket fire into Israel, adding to the sentiment deterioration. Earlier today, the RBNZ held rates and delivered a less dovish communication, which has helped to keep the New Zealand dollar at least outperforming against its risk-correlated cousins. Over in the UK, inflation reads were a little softer, perhaps weighing on the pound a bit, though the pound has done a good job absorbing downside pressure on account of the more upbeat outlook towards a Brexit resolution. In the Eurozone, industrial production exceeded forecasts, but not enough to inspire any renewed bids in the euro just yet. The market will now digest inflation reads out of the U.S. while taking in anticipated testimony from the Fed chair when he sits down with the Joint Economic Committee of Congress later on. That's all for now.